Hey there, future-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech trends to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to use contactless credit card in 2025 feet, because who has time for fumbling with chips and pins anymore? Let's get started. First off, what's a contactless credit card? It's a sleek card equipped with NFC technology, allowing you to make payments with just a tap. By 2025, most cards come with enhanced security features like biometric authentication, so your money stays safe while you pay in seconds. Now, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Locate the contactless symbol on your card. It's that little wireless icon. Make sure your card is activated. Most banks do this automatically, but double-check your app. Step 2. When you're at the checkout, look for the contactless reader on the payment terminal. It's usually marked with the same symbol. Step 3. Hold your card within a few inches of the reader. No need to swipe or insert it. You'll hear a beep or see a light, confirming the transaction. For amounts over $100, you might need to verify with a fingerprint scan or a quick PIN entry to prevent fraud. A few pro tips to keep in mind. Always keep your card in a protective sleeve to avoid accidental taps, and monitor your transactions via your banking app for real-time security. In 2025, these cards are faster and more secure than ever, but if you run into issues like a faulty reader, just fall back to the traditional method or contact your bank. The best part? Contactless payments are eco-friendly, reducing plastic waste from receipts and speeding up lines everywhere. So, why not give it a try next time you're out shopping? If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.